Welcome Insight. We had our morning assembly. There were so many of you who attended, and we really appreciate it. We had some technical difficulties, and not everybody could hear. So we just wanted to make sure that you guys got the information still. So I am recording it again without all of the delays and the drags, and hopefully that you guys can enjoy watching this. So welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. So this is trimester one. And welcome back to school. We are the Cougars, and we hope that you be the reason someone smiles today, be the reason that someone wants to get out of bed and join the world, whatever it is that helps you be the reason. I like to be the reason that you guys want to show up to these assemblies because I make them fun. So I'm hoping that that conveys and we transfer that along throughout the year. All right, guys, Class Connect norms and expectations. You're not here, but I want to remind you that we expect these all the time, and you guys did pretty well today, so I appreciate it. Great job. We're going to talk about things to know, recognition, and engagement today. And Mrs. Vincent wanted you guys to know that it is really important that you guys get those ISMAs signed. You're not really fully enrolled without one. You're not getting that attendance credit, so you want to make sure you have your parent and LC check your email. Both of you must type and sign the full legal name, and we want to make sure if you need support, you call your academic advisor and they can help you with that because we want to make sure we get those done as soon as possible so you can start attending, earning attendance credit and getting those credit for those grades that you're earning. Attendance is two parts. Part one is going to live sessions. Part two is doing the work in your online school. So that means, and you guys, if you've had me in new orientation, you know, you log in, you go past the landing page, you go into your course content, you read the announcements, you see, okay, there's a quiz today. You take that quiz. Okay, that's English class. Okay, second period, I have English. That's at blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go to that class right now. So you're doing both of those things because without both of those, then you'll lose your attendance credit. And then that becomes a problem. We don't want that. We want it to be fun and exciting. And I don't want you to miss out on anything. Also, guys, if you don't log in and you don't attend those live sessions, your LCs and learning coaches will be getting automated phone calls, letting them know that you're not doing it. And I don't know about you guys, but I never wanted school calling my parents. So if that is something you want to avoid, for sure, you want to make sure you log in first thing in the morning, you're attending those live sessions and you're accessing those courses. Contact info. I know myself, I moved over the summer. So you want to make sure that if you've moved or if you're living with somebody else or whatever the situation is, that you obtain all your contact information is update and ready to go. If you have a new learning coach, you want to make sure you process that paperwork. Any of that, you can email me, Wendy Smith, at k12insightca.org or contact your academic advisor and one of us can help you with that. Okay, guys, do me a favor, check your email. By the way, I love this. Hey, buddy. So check your email, guys. This is where your teachers, me, everybody is going to contact you and give you all the information that you need. So make sure you're checking that at least twice a day. Think of it as if you're checking your personal stuff. I know for me, all of you on your phone, I got to check who's trying to contact me. Do the same with school, guys. Do the same with school. You'll be more successful that way for sure. All right, guys, we have the Star 360 starting tomorrow during second period and then again on Friday during third. If you do not have an assigned class during second or third period on testing days, that's okay. You are going to be invited to a testing session and look for it on your schedule each morning. So please think about this right now. Okay, Friday, I don't have third period. You do now. So make sure you put that in your brain. Okay, I got to get up in the morning. I can't make plans during that time because I'm going to have a class and I need to take this. And we need you to show up, guys, because if you don't show up to these sessions, we're going to have to hunt you down and then you'll be doing it in the afternoon and nobody wants to do anything at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So just get it done and in the live sessions that we provided during that school day and everything will be great. Recognition. It is so important to recognize the amazing students and staff we have here at Insight. And so first of all, I want to talk about the honor roll. We sent so many certificates out last year to our honor roll recipients and it was so exciting and fun. And if you have one, take a picture of yourself with it and email it to me. I would love to see that and share that with others. Also, guys, so now we're at the school year of 2021. Wait, whoa, that was so long ago. That was before summer. But it's still important that those students be honored as well. And our student of the trimester for trimester 3 of last school year is, drum roll, Jasmine W. Jasmine, thank you so much for all of your hard work. Your teachers acknowledge your name was mentioned several times. They see all the work you're doing and you are appreciated. So, and I will be sending you something in the mail shortly. All right, guys. So not only is it the students, but it's the staff. I know the staff that work with me are amazing and I enjoy collaborating with them. And I have to tell you that when we do the survey, students fill stuff out and it's like maybe you get a couple here or there. This person had so many votes and is so amazing. And I enjoy being around and learning from him. Can you guess who it is? It is Mr. Wheeler. Jake Wheeler is the staff of the trimester for trimester 3. I love that parents think that they see his energy, they see he's inspiring. And then I love this phrase from a student. He is why I try in school and the reason I'm still in school. So, Mr. Wheeler, you are appreciated. You are loved and your efforts are paying off, and the kids and the families know it. So, great job, Mr. Wheeler. Congratulations. We are also going to be continuing our homeroom incentives this year. This is our amazing academic advisor team. Do you recognize yours? If not, you should probably start going to homeroom because you should be seeing their faces every day. Check in with your academic advisor during homeroom and find out what surprise they have in store for you this month. All right, engagement. Whoop, whoop. That's Mrs. Smith. This is fun stuff. So as we continue our amazing 7 Mindsets program with Everything is Possible for the August-September theme, I just want you to remember that right now is a fresh start, new year, new attitude, new grades, new classes, new everything, guys. And everything is possible and you can make it happen. And the things that you need help with, we're here to help support you in those as well. So kind of get that mindset ready to go, and you guys will continue to talk to your academic advisors about these things. And I love the conversations that come out of these topics. All right, guys, we have our monthly newsletter, Get the Cougar Insight newsletter. I send out the link at the beginning of every month. You guys should have got it on the first day of school. If you have not received it, let me know. I'll send it to you and check it out. There's a lot of good information about the school year, a lot of things that teachers and staff and students like contribute and support, and a lot of effort goes into that. And I hope that you guys appreciate it and enjoy what we provide for you. All right, guys, tomorrow and Friday, Thursday at 12:20, I will be doing a help desk for all new students. And Friday at 12:20, I will be doing a help desk for all students. Now, if you have a question about math, contact your math teacher. This is like, hey, I don't even know who my math teacher is. Well, I can help you with that. Mrs. Smith, I don't know if we got our back to school packet email. I can help you with that. Mrs. Smith, I don't even know how do I get into Class Connect? I can help you with that. So if you're struggling on day 4 of school of like, oh my gosh, I have all these questions and I don't know how to be a student at Insight, come see me. I can help you with all of that. I'm happy to provide whatever support I can. It is in your Class Connect. It is optional, but I would love to see you. Just come say hi to me. I love it. All right, guys, all clubs, support groups, and virtual outings will begin September 13th through 17th. And during that week, I thought we would kick it off with a virtual spirit week. We have some really fun things to do. Cougar colors, favorite hat and socks, way back Wednesday, little PJ day, Funky Friday, whatever any of these things mean to you. I would love for you to dress up for your classes. Or if you don't really want to share it on camera with everybody, take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see it. I'm going to try to be like collecting all these things throughout the year, and maybe we can have a little digital review at the end in our end of year activities. That would be fun. So give me all these things. I'd love to share them. So all outings will be virtual during trimester 1 of the 2021 school year. COVID. I don't know if there's much more to say. It's important to keep our families and our staff safe. And so they are going to be virtual again, but I love the virtual because whether you live in San Francisco or you live in San Diego, you can go to all of them. And that's awesome. And they're all in your Class Connect. You're invited to all of them. Pick and choose what you like. It is optional, but I really highly recommend that you try to do as many as possible. We're also going to be doing some during homeroom, which we'll be announcing soon. So look for that information. So clubs will meet on assigned days. We are doing clubs every other week this year. Fine arts, gaming, and social are our current clubs. If you would like to propose another club, you can go to that student newsletter, and there's the instructions on there on how to do that. And there's a process that we go through. But fine arts is going to start on Tuesday the 14th. Gaming is going to start Tuesday the 16th, and social club will be the following Tuesday the 21st. We also have amazing support groups. We have an anxiety group on Mondays at 2 o'clock, an LGBTQI plus on Thursdays at 2 p.m., and Grit on Fridays at 2 p.m. This is every week. And these are run by our amazing counseling team, and we would love to see you guys attend. And we're here for you. So if you need support in any of these areas or it interests you, please reach out, and we would please reach out. We would love for you to participate. Now, social media, we have lots of social media here at Insight. We have Facebook for the oldies like me. I love Facebook. Instagram's a little new for me, but we have this amazing Instagram account. You'll see Miss Peterson and all of our videos and everything on there that is awesome and fun and informational and inspirational and all of that. We also have a new YouTube channel. Check it out. You'll see a lot of those videos you saw of me this in the homeroom this week. You'll see those and some other things as we go away. We have our amazing admin message from Ms. Odom. And so subscribe is, I believe, the correct term, and check it out. We'd love for you guys to have that information. So guys, that wraps it up for me today. Thank you again for all of your patience and understanding during our assembly. There were so many of you, which is amazing. And we hope that you guys will check us out again soon. Have a great day. Take care, be safe, make good choices. I'll see you soon.